The entire content of this particular guide would take you a step away from making errors or making mistake ahead of the upcoming JAMB 2026 registration. And if you're coming across fullback for the first time, well, I welcome you officially as a fullback, right? And I just really hope this guide will help you and give you everything you need as regards the 2026 JAMB registration. Now, if you are doing JAMB for the first time, it's normal for you to feel overwhelmed and feel lost about the whole process, and that is just the essence of this guide to make it very very simplistic for you and understandable. And even if you have done JAMB before, you also want to avoid some of the reasons or unknown reasons why you might not have used that particular JAMB detail to secure admission. So I would advise you to listen to every bit of this guide, and you also want to share it with as many that are writing JAMB year 2026. And practically, this will not even be about 2026. Even if you are listening to this before or after 2026, it's surely still much more valuable and relevant. Now, let's dive straight into it. The first thing I quickly want to deal with is how to use the JAMB Brochure. Right now, what is JAMB Brochure? JAMB Brochure is basically um, a database that has been created by JAMB to guide every student as regards their choice of school and their choice of course. Not only that, but the major requirements that each of the school requires for them to study their chosen course. I will not waste much time on this. I'm just going to give you an overview of how to use the JAMB Brochure, so you won't make mistake as regards your JAMB subject combination and all. But then I know majority might still find this process tedious or difficult. Not to worry, you can always book a one-on-one consultation with fullback, and we'll be able to guide you all the way instead of passing through all of the stress, right? Now, let's dive right into it. Now, the platform JAM has made available for we to use the JAM Brochure is called iBass. Now, I'm going to go to iBass website now. So we have an overview of what I'm exactly talking about, right? So, go to iBass.jam.gov.ng. So this is the website that has been designated by JAM to guide every student, right? But practically most people are not really even aware of the website. So for now, we are aware simply because it came across me, right? So now, what I simply did here was I tap the menu and I'm moving to Brochure, which is the major thing I need. So once I do, I just tap on Brochure, then I go to, as you can see, all institution as stated here. I can filter them and I can also view my course. Let me zoom in. Can view my course, right? So now I just want to be specified. I want to specify on the exact university I'm interested in. So if you're interested in degree awarding institution, just tap degree awarding institution to filter it out and to bring out to you every degree awarding institution, right? You can also filter by maybe it's a federal university you only want to see, just tap federal university, right? And it will filter it out. It's bring only federal university has for it, right? Now, um, let's use University of Lagos as an example. I don't like that school. Let's use my alma mater, even though I don't like them to like that. But, okay, no, let me use University of Ibadan. I like University of Ibadan. Okay, just tap University of Ibadan. Now, once you tap that, you can view every course in University of Ibadan, right? So if you want to confirm if um this University of Ibadan have the course you want to study, all you just need to do is just go to University of Ibadan, it will pop out all the whole courses for you. And now, after you have gotten all the whole courses, you want to tap on that exact course you want so that they can show you the details, which includes subject combination and all. So let's see. I've tapped view details under law. So let's see what we're going to have. See, expecting it to pop out. So you have as many courses as possible. As you can see, our law popped out. Now, see, whatsoever anybody tells you, and it is not aligning with what is in JAMB Brochure, all they just told you is false. And that is why whatsoever anybody tells you as regards your JAMB subject population, there is always a need for you to double check and double confirm from the JAMB Brochure. Because if you are doing a subject that is not required by the school you are applying to, you already jeopardizing your chances of securing admission. That is why you don't want to um you don't want to take those kind of chances, right? So now for law, look at law. UI, what does UI require? 5 O-level subjects at 1 or 6 O-level subjects at 2 sittings to include English language, literature, and other subjects from social sciences. Now, here is where the problem used to be. Most students read some of these things, but they cannot interpret it, right? And that is where you actually need someone like fullback to always guide you all through the process. So most of the time, I recommend to first timer and all to always be a consultation fullback so we can properly guide you and ensure that you don't make mistakes, right? So, but that is that. So, as you can see, the UTME subject combo is English and any three subjects from art, social sciences, or science, right? And that is it. So, this is simply telling you that you can do English, CRS, government, and literature. You're going to be fine, right? So, that is just that about how to check Brochure. I don't think I want this video to be exceedingly long, but that is just an overview. It's applicable to every school and anything you want to do. If you want to go back to semester back, just take up part of the institution. Then you still have to be select degree, then you select federal university, to pop out of your federal university, right? Then you can tap, take your course, and take the combination. I hope you get that. I'm gonna send you the next